Kani kediga batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
MLA jong kaseng Kongres, ubadan hakaliang persya hakaying dorbar thawan jong kani kejala Meghalaya. ZENITH SANGMA HAKA jingkran bat ka batisi TV ula keno, bakadan ka jingle bean hakar kom penrung kam HAKA Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Dak bakdaw ya ka jing penrung kam dangshen HAKA por badang ya ke lockdown. HAKA bala penrung kam ya ki sispa aru prangot kram da pentepat ba ya ka jinglat kam HAKA ni ketnan. Katkom ka jingtu ZENITH SANGMA laong ba HAKA arpun reu terek ubna jileu menta usnam arhajar arpau la penrung kam ya ki san pu prangon. Bat HAKA shiterek unai tong mentahi uju usnam la penrong sahnyo penrongon. Kumta halor kani kabenta ZENITH SANGMA ula dawa banbo dak kanhon toket keba lai luai ban toket ya kani karukom penrong kam.
CBI ultimately maybe CBI, if it is CBI that is the best, it will be independent inquiry to promote our own entrepreneurs, our own indigenous contractors. What's the reason behind in hurriedly allotting during the holidays time, during December, during the month of December, and award the work at 51% above, 71% above to them? All 128 who were appointed were from Khasi category. So it is very, very injustice. So I want these irregularities and anomalies to be investigated immediately, and the people, whoever it is, who is responsible to be guilty should be booked under the relevant section of the law of the land.